Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're serving up some groovy Sunday meal options you are gonna love. Let's get cooking. Now let's make some Southern coleslaw. First, we add the dressing ingredients. Whisk it until it's smooth. Then add your shredded coleslaw mix. Toss everything together until it's coated. And enjoy! Let's make Asian cucumber and carrot salad. Now we add the shredded carrots. This is gonna be delicious. And there you have it. Let's make garlic soy chicken wings. Let's make easy pepper steak. Sauté the peppers and onions. Add the beef back with the sauce. Delicious pepper steak. Today we make crispy roasted potatoes. First, let's toss them in garlic butter. Spread them out on the pan. Look at this golden crispy perfection. Perfect for any meal. Enjoy. Let's make Taiwanese crispy chicken. First, pound the chicken breast. Marinate with my secret recipe. Coat it in sweet potato starch. Shallow fry until golden and crispy. Whisk the egg and cook the onion. Mix the filling and set aside. Press the pastry squares into the tin. Spoon the filling and top with cheese. Bake until golden and set. Enjoy your shrimp paste. Let's make some easy garlic knots today. Brush them with delicious garlic butter. Let's make easy s'mores bars. First, cream together the butter and sugar. Then fold in the toppings and bake. Perfect every time. Now let's make some blueberry iced tea with lemon.